In 2019, the National Center for Education Statistics assessed mathematics skills of about 25,000 12th grade students. The national average mathematics score was 150 on a NAEP mathematics scale that ranges from 0 to 300. But the average score doesn't tell the whole story. For this reason, NCES reports scores for higher and lower performers in relation to these other metrics, 5 selected percentiles, and 3 achievement levels to explain the range of performance and the different mathematics skills of 12th grade students. Whereas the percentiles divide the population based on student performance, the achievement level cut scores demarcate performance based on expectations of what students should know and should be able to do. In 2019, scores declined in mathematics for 12th graders performing at the lower percentiles compared to 2015. What types of mathematics skills did these lower performing students demonstrate? These students showed some ability to apply concepts and procedures to solve problems in familiar mathematical and real-world settings, such as using a map scale to determine distance, using similarity to find the length of a side of a triangle, showing partial understanding of how to use a scatter plot to make a prediction, and converting temperature to another unit using a formula. Middle-level performance is represented by students scoring at the 50th and 75th percentiles, which fall in the NAEP basic range. These students were able to implement concepts and procedures to solve mathematical and real-world problems, such as using proportion to calculate a height, comparing the area of triangles within a rectangle, analyzing a graph of a normally distributed set of data to determine the mean, and finding the y-intercept of a graph from a quadratic equation. So NAEP Basic may not entail what we usually think of as basic in everyday life. Students scoring at the 90th percentile represent higher level performance on the assessment and fall in the NAEP proficient range. Students performing at the NAEP proficient level demonstrate solid academic performance and competency over challenging subject matter. These students were able to select and implement appropriate concepts, procedures, and strategies, such as solving a multi-step problem involving percentages, determining the number of lines of symmetry for a given figure, using summary statistics to find the possible values of a data set, and using the graph of a step function to solve a problem. The NAEP proficient level in mathematics represents the hope that all the nation's students will have the opportunity to learn and demonstrate high-level knowledge and analytical skills, and the ability to apply what they know and can do to solve mathematical and real-world problems.